Isn't it? Well, we're joined in the studio by King Ayisoba. And yes, you people should have seen the way I was dancing. But wait, I'll show you my dancing skills later with King Ayisoba. But good morning. How are you doing, sir?
Everything fine.
You're doing fine. Okay, so whilst I was going through your profile, I found out that you used to play with Terrible Chaka. Did you ever play with him?
Terrible Chaka is one of our group pastor Bankaka.
Yeah.
But Terrible Chaka introduced me to music learning.
Oh,
I grew up as Terrible Chaka.
yes, yes.
But Terrible Chaka
Yeah.
introduced me
Yes.
to music
Okay.
learning. I don't understand learning.
Okay.
What do you mean by
Okay.
Abontain?
Abontain. Oh, okay, into the limelight. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so there you have it. He was telling us earlier that he's older than the late Terrible Chaka, but the late Terrible Chaka actually introduced him into the limelight. He gave him the kind of exposure that he needed with his music. How long have you been doing this thing? Me, when I was a little girl, I was watching you when I was very, very little. So how many years now in music?
Yakase meka afidu
Why yet music? Yeah.
Oh, adozo.
Like 20 years, I dream.
About 20
years. Hey, okay.
Meka se me sasia. Na mintimi nante.
Okay.
Na mo sini abama me konlogo na me bo na me nante na afe na me tunyom.
Oh.
Yes, na dozo.
Le dozo.
Yanka. Oh, sir.
Side there now can word be.
Yeah.
Cause uba inside no. Na me who say waba. And now side there na ya word be.
Dabe.
Enya word be.
Aya word.
Word be.
Aya word ya. Ni petitiriwa.
Okay.
Ni petitiriwa.
Okay.
Ni petitiriwa.
Okay.
Like
a big person. Like ni petitru.
Ni tiri. Me ba me homisa. Na wumpo bowe ya. Na wunta de we ya. Ni petitria.
Ah, man. He's taking me forever to break the words down because it's really difficult. So he says when he makes that noise and you see the slippers. Guys, zoom his slippers. The slippers is one in town. Obia and Shebi. We zoom into the slippers. Zoom into the slippers, okay?
Yeah.
Now who's slippers? Now who are tied? Now who's any petitria baha?
Thank you.
That's right. Okay. See the slippers? Check the slippers out. Now wait, the one I
like it.
When a slippers with my will be or design special.
Me will be katamato.
Catamato. Okay, so he says the person who designs his slippers is in Cantamanto. So if you want some of his slippers, say better for na nkofuna mpek na Ayisoba a sandals ni binu na ya free Cantamanto
Before na e watermale.
Okay.
Ni owuye. Wawu.
Oh, okay.
Wawu.
Okay.
Waka baby. Na made me sandals on a company ekwa katamato.
Oh, beautiful.
Ni danfo.
Okay.
Me party.
Okay.
On so Accra.
Okay.
Nte onse umintanda me papa we.
Ooh. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Zoom into the slippers.
Yeah.
Wow.
Was it papa we buy no more than 25 years.
Man standing for 25 years.
Man tom papa. Minim kambu minim
executive shoe. Uni sa anyone be.
Dabi.
We nkwana oche.
We be.
Oh.
Nje we mpaboa aye kin Ayisoba.
Kin Ayisoba mpaboa.
Wanu na ye kongo we. Aye I want to see my father.
My father slippers. This is I want to see my father's slippers.
Oh, me sir.
Wait there, father know what I'm looking to be the nantico.
Cha.
Oh, nice. Can I say but can I say sound here different? O brand you very solid. O pie wa bontia obia to me can say onim say can I say ba na ban. Nkofo bi na tena say e plan ma o say dress say ya na say wa dwemu na
o da be na ni baba tima a plan say yes say won kasa kin Ayisoba aye kin Ayisoba ana plan say memba kolgo obi o ba plan say memba we do gise wona plan we na me bona aye sum gima.
Oh.
So before Baba we no. Your mama bono. Yaka konloga. Konlogo. We your friend no konlogo.
Kologo. Oh, Kologo. Oh, okay. A nothing instrument.
I am not an instrument. Okay. So yamfa obiada. Obia obowe wada. Obia obowe we wada. Mina me wake up. Mina me say obia obowe and that.
Into what I under the answer.
Me pese me kile say. Kongo. We your friend of Kongo. Me a king of Kongo.
Okay. In football Kologo, but they are a king of Kologo.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
My boy, I want to see my father. Obia nyomini wa. Wagidi obia ni wa. Wananti kuroma obia nimino.
True.
Me se me nanti kuroma. Obia nimmi.
True.
Kongo ni bia nanti kuroma obia nimino.
Okay. Yeah.
So me nanti kuroma obia nimmi.
Yeah, that's true. That's very true.
Me a king of Kologo.
Yeah.
No bagawaya.
No bagawaya, ampa.
Sir.
No bagawaya, ampa. Because instrument, me akasaka mean instrument. But this is Kologo. He says that the instrument he's playing, or that he uses here is Kologo. Now, bakuna brano always also na friend.
I have friend Siasi.
Yes.
Yeah, Siasi.
Okay. And I know. Beats the womb inside Nana today.
Men can see as some. Even see as a tradition our North Upper East.
Okay.
Even Bongo song.
Okay.
Yes, she has, was yes. Woman giddy. Okobonga. Was yes, woman giddy. And the Yaba Pole or free Zoko.
Okay, no, Bono.
Yes.
Abrante no no.
Abente no bono. Who say you were trap up instrumental.
Yes.
You xylophone free dagati.
Yeah.
You bought xylophone.
Xylophone. Yes.
I dagati. Anye frafra.
Anye frafra. Oh.
Nte I trap to trap. Media me ba father for me pe champion.
Pe champion. Yeah.
Ma go fa CS champion. We champion.
Oh, a champion. Oh, CS.
CS.
Oh, wonderful.
You can CS. Or no.
Oh, no, a champion.
I like it.
Oh, so you see, Ayisoba, by all standards, is a man of excellence. Everything he does is very intentional. He plans it. He's just telling us about the instruments that the gentleman was playing, alongside his kologo he was playing earlier. And he says when he was going to pick the person, he chose the champion of, the people that play that instrument, because he likes to deal with people that are top. And here that say pa say oh yes, but say no music scene no. I was say only young ones maybe a year and you emudia now is how selected the nine.
Me pe obia. Me pe obia.
Obia.
Who say me dear me pen is me pe kwajuro ni. Kwajuro. Aquadro.
Lazy person. Ain't he?
Oh, by your ma. Who say your type of music?
Yes.
You can say your type of music. Who say me pe aquala what me can sampa. Aquala or boy your ma yas a womb. Aquala what? Why a guy so or respect it?
Or respect, ampa. Enti me ma obi ti say Kofi Kinata ope on.
Me pe.
Ope. Enti Kofi Kinata Ayisoba featuring Kofi Kinata no. Da be ni sexy. And na Ayisoba featuring Chatawali.
Me pe.
Ope. Okay. Into you people, let's make that happen. Yeah. But Ayisoba, yeah, it seems to say Opa Paka baby. Yeah, sorry about that. We're sending condolences. Yeah, Mao. How do you even say it? Yako, right? Yeah, Mao Yako. So that's King Ayisoba's father on the screens, a celebration of life of the late Asumweneba Badongo. Okay, the names are very heavy. With gratitude of God for life. Yes, so the war dance will be happening on the 13th to the 14th of March, 2026. Final funeral rite 16th to 20th.
13 and 14.
And 14th of March, 2026. Then the final funeral rite 16th to the 20th March, 2026. I know a kafwa bongo soy. I don't know where
a kafwa bongo soy.
Yeah.
You see bongo.
Yes, bongo.
Bongo is bigger than Balaga.
Oh.
Because Balaga they wrote.
Okay.
That Balaga take over. Bongo is a bigger.
Oh, okay.
Bongo is a bigger town.
Okay.
Because Bongo no they wrote. But Bongo swing.
Okay.
I'm from Akafua.
Yeah, Akafua.
Local.
Okay.
Village.
Was your father a king?
And my problem is like Akafua no get light.
You people, NDC government, Akafua no get light too.
You no get light.
So you people, where Ayisoba is coming from, he does not have light.
You no get light.
In 2026, what is the government on one idea? Let's say the president no free north. In this our north nation eba.
President is my friend, is my brother.
Okay.
But I no get light.
You no get light.
From Akafua.
Your hometown.
My hometown. And my father.
Yeah.
Funda coming 13th March.
Yes.
14th March. And 20th.
Yes. Yeah.
March.
Yeah. So guys,
we don't get light.
You don't get light. You put this thing we are saying, we are being serious, guys. This video, cut it and go and put it. We have to get lights at the Kafua because when people cry, Guys, find me the MP for the area. We need to send lights so that we can have a funeral because a superstar funeral.
And I go meet a Seriketia. A Seriketia say, I should talk to Akamukri. Akamukri will give me light.
Akamukri and then MP no.
Original minister for
Regional minister for Upper East.
Far East. Akamuk a Seriketia say I should talk to original minister.
Regional minister.
He will give me light.
Did you talk to him?
I talked to him 4 times.
He still not brought the light.
No light. But I don't understand.
Yeah, me too. It's not good. It's not good. People, we can do better.
You see?
Into what they say, that's a honor basic pan.
Now, I base one of a baseball Bogosoin and I base Accra.
Accra, okay.
Because
yes.
Kina Ayisoba, I built my house in Accra and I guess anywhere.
Anywhere.
Even Europe. Even anywhere.
Anywhere.
Oh, Mister!
Yeah. So one thing you have to know is that Kina Ayisoba is big out there. That's something people don't know. In Europe, you're big. You're a big deal. Oh yeah, local music. Nah, no more enjoying.
Thank you.
Listen, guys, I think we should just continue to celebrate this great talent God has blessed us with. And again, I want us to also know that he is here. He just lost his father, so if you're around, you can go and support him as much as you can.
Me papa yen.
Ano omum pe kwan bra ho. Se akafa bongo de ufa
Ye baba balga.
Baba bolga. Okay. Mbe yen ewo akafa bongo.
Ye baba balga. Na ye baba bongo.
Okay.
Na ye busa bongo soin.
Okay.
Kina Ayisoba da o baba yen na o de busa. Kina Ayisoba.
Papa yen no.
Ah!
Omudo beba ho.
Ah!
That's right. That's right.
Ah! Na udu balga. Udu balga.
Unye bisa ya.
Ode ubusa. Oba Kina Ayisoba. Papa ye.
Yes. Period. Enwa.
Ah!
Edo beba. Superstar papa. No bagawaya.
No bagawaya.
No bagawaya.
No bagawaya.
No bagawaya.
Oh, mister.
No bagawaya.
Cha.
Kina Ayisoba.
Oh, mister.
Oh, amazing stuff. Personally, I made the say me who because me who with TV so me shoulder. Me who maybe a concert now what be performing, but me shall say that I'm very happy to meet you.
I like it.
And I pray that God continues to give you life. You live longer for many generations to meet you because you've done an incredible job. Only one thing I notice kind of music the regular ones, but obia to me too.
Original is what?
They be one say to say high life and I say hip hop. Unyum ne ntesa, but obia to say to me too. Idea.
Oh, that be. Mami nkasekira music any barrier.
Ampa.
Music.
Yeah.
Any barrier.
True.
Oh, you're good.
True.
Oh, you're good.
True.
Oh, you're zero.
Alrighty, guys. So whilst we continue the conversation with Kina Ayisoba, there's also the Nothing Festival 2026, Ablekuma Joma. Now, Ablekuma Joma and Accra and outside Accra. It's in the north. It's in the north.
Ablekuma Joma.
Accra Ablekuma Joma. And you're having celebrating our heritage, building peace, and empowering the youth through education for inclusive development in the north. Is Kina Ayisoba performing? I want to see where he is. Is he performing? There, that's him over there. He's going to be there. This is on the Friday, the 13th of February. Islamic prayers, Juma Central Mosque. And then also Saturday, the 14th of February, that's Valentine's Day. They're playing the football gala, Juma Moses Park. Then on Sunday, the 15th of February, the Grand Derba, Juma Moses Park. Same place where we're going to be having the football gala. So please, the first day, the Friday, the 13th, the Juma Central Mosque location for the Islamic prayer is the location for the Islamic prayer, and that's for 9 a.m. So that's mostly for the Muslim brothers. Now, on the 14th of February, the football gala is happening from 8 a.m. And then on Sunday, the 15th of February, is a grand derby that's going to be starting at 11 a.m. Same location as where the football gala is going to happen. That's the Juma Moses Park. And so let's go support our Muslim brothers and, of course, our Nothing brothers, by the way, our Nothing brothers who want to celebrate their heritage, build peace, and empower the youth. The Nothing youth are doing incredible things. I've met some Nothing ladies who are doing amazing in the agric world, in fashion. Listen, they're doing an incredible job. Let's go support them. And taking Ayisoba. And then me new album come away in Bejao. Bejao kind. Where already saw Beko. And now unyanko. Unyanya why do so Beko. Beko. I love you.
Say they will come a festival we are some. Festival way. Oh, Northern Festival.
Yeah.
I am a festival.
Ayo festival.
We festival where Mbatimaka say a duru 14 years.
Yeah. Oh.
Me taron sa. Ye be me ko.
Oh.
E be me ntapo.
Okay.
Me tapo dia.
Yeah, oko.
Me ko.
Oh.
Ma taro.
Is that where dia?
Yankasa.
Oh. Is that where the 14?
Yanka years.
Is that where the 20?
There be hoden hoden.
Oh, hoden.
Yanka years.
Yanka years.
Obi already 5 years now when you were there. The Yanka years.
Yanka years.
The years here hoden.
Okay.
Yankasa hoden.
But who the head?
Oh, me sir.
Who is the head? Okay, Ayisoba, I love this one.
That festival way. Northern Festival.
A baby butu.
Perform.
Hey!
I like you.
Oh, Jesus. So I am going to be wearing my fugu. So I'm a special one, my share, my back. My best support. So,
Mepe.
Mati.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, sir. Me nibagi.
Anyway.
So, me bezo was an a na yankasa. Me papa yeno.
Oh, papa yeno.
2026. I not 6.
March
13.
Yes.
14. In
16th and 20th. Send one.
Me pay.
Good. So we're going to support the Nothing Festival and also go support Kina Ayisoba at his father's funeral. Kina Ayisoba, me say, meeting you, I'm very, very happy. Ube signing off Amame with Enyum Kakra. But ladies and gentlemen, we've been having a great conversation with King Ayisoba.